The longer you stand in front of a Bridget Riley work, the more it begins to melt or buckle or vibrate before your eyes. Bridget Riley burst onto the London art scene in the 1960s, and she focused solely on the contrast of black and white in order to fully explore the perceptual potential of her work, to a disorienting but equally dazzling effect. One of Riley's most iconic works is Movement in Squares. Riley applied a visual disruption to the pattern, regularly diminishing the width of the squares. This idea of applying a visual disruption to a basic form, this alternating interplay of anxiety and composure, actually became the key principle which developed a lot of the works in this period. So in some other black and white works from this period, the close proximity of undulating lines actually give the appearance of vibrations on the canvas. Bridget is fulfilling her aim to make the space between the spectator and the picture plane become active. Her work often requires time for your eyes to settle into them and leave after images imprinted on your retina long after you're finished looking.